Meet Jessica, cramming reading material at 2 a.m., textbook open but already dozing off. Jessica tries skimming. If I squint, maybe I'll absorb it through osmosis. Just when her GPA seems doomed, ResearchWize slides in. Advanced Summarization Engine activated. Boom! Custom summaries hit her screen like a caffeinated tutor. She's actually got this now. Class time, Jessica's active, engaged, and finally awake, cracking jokes like a pro. Back to essentials. Jessica's chaos reigned in, but her desk? Still a disaster zone. Get the app today at ResearchWize.com.